Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make your own Discord server tag. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Discord and go to your server. Normally, if your server is boosted to level 2, you'll see an option called server tags inside your server settings. But since my server isn't boosted right now, that is why I don't use this. Here's how it works. Once your server reaches level 2, which means it has at least 7 boosts, you unlock the server tag feature. You can either boost it yourself or have your members do it for you. Boosting costs around $15 to $20 if you're buying all 7 on your own. After reaching level 2, just go to your server settings, tap on server tags, and you'll see the option appear. From there, you can customize the tag name and upload an image. For example, you can set titles like streamer or artist and assign a profile badge that displays next to users with that tag. Once you're done customizing, hit save and your server tag will go live. Keep in mind though, these tags will only stay active as long as your server remains boosted to level 2. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make your own Discord server tag. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.